Hey guys, John here from Diode Dynamics. Today in the garage, we'll be showing you how to install our SS3 Grille kit like you see here for the 2019 Plus Polaris RZR XP. Let's get started. First, we'll remove the hood by twisting both latches and sliding it towards the front of the vehicle. Next, we'll remove the factory grille by pressing the two tabs at the top of the grille at the same time and pull away. Using a T25 Torx bit, remove the two bolts holding the lower bumper cover in place and set it aside. Now we're ready for our wiring. If you're connecting directly to your battery, skip to the timestamp below. If you have a factory bus bar, use a 10mm socket to loosen the positive and negative terminals, and add the positive and negative leads from your harness. Remove the T25 screw on the bus bar and use this as a location to mount the relay. Route the DT lead behind the radiator, down the passenger side, and back to the front of the grille, staying away from any hotter moving parts. Disconnect the switch from the harness and feed the lead through the firewall and into the cab. In the cab, reconnect the switch and mount where you prefer, or use your own switch. If you do not have a bus bar on the firewall, remove the driver's seat by reaching behind, lifting, and pulling away. Use a 10mm wrench to loosen the positive and negative terminals, and add the positive and negative leads from your harness. Route the harness along the driver's door sill, up the dash, and towards the front of the vehicle, making sure to stay away from any hotter moving parts. Now we're ready to assemble our SS3s. Drop the supplied nuts into the slots on the side of the pod with the nylon ring facing the inside. Then slide the universal bracket over the back of the pod and thread our 5/32 Allen screws and washers. Tighten using a 5/32 Allen, but leave room for adjustment. Repeat for the other pod. Grab your grille bracket and place the pod with the bracket under the grille tab. We can attach our SS3 to our bracket by dropping our carriage bolt and securing our washer, lock washer, and nut, tightening using a 13mm wrench, and repeat for the other pod. Plug the DT splitter into the back of each pod, then in line with the DT lead on the harness. Put the grille in place, making sure the tabs are aligned. Loosely install the included 10mm bolts and nuts at the bottom of the bracket. Once hand threaded, slightly pull away to create tension between the bolt and nut, and tighten using a 10mm socket. With a Phillips head screwdriver, begin installing the 6 self-tapping screws. Work your way side to side, making sure the grille stays aligned. Next, we'll test for function. With everything functioning properly, secure any loose wiring with zip ties, and reverse the steps we use to take everything apart to put it back together. As you can see, with our Stage Series LED grill kit installed, not only will you have a dramatic increase in light output, but you'll also add a ton of style to your razor with a custom stainless steel grill included with this kit. If you're interested in picking up an SS3 grill kit for your RZR XP or any of our other kits available, head on over to our website at diodedynamics.com or use our dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. And if you'd like to stay up to date on the latest and greatest products coming to the market, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications. Thanks for watching.